I want to give you some insight based on my experience as a singer, as a performer, as a voice coach and voice expert, and also as a speaker, as to how you can use your voices more effectively to become better communicators and better speakers. Firstly, your voice is the most powerful communication tool that you possess. But most of you are only utilizing a fraction of this incredible instrument that you have within. Secondly, your voice, I said it, is an instrument. It's an incredible instrument that we have within us. And we're all only stuck in a part of this amazing instrument. You actually have 3 parts to this instrument within. We have a chest voice, we have a middle voice, and we have a head voice. And we need the full range of color of all those parts of the voice, even in speaking, not just singing, to tap into all of the emotions, to add variety in our voice. And that's another one of the most common reasons people come to me is I don't have enough vocal variety in my voice. So I want you to all put your hand on your top of your chest, right up the top here, just at the base of your neck. And I want you all to say, I can.
I can.
Can you feel a vibration when you do that? The vibration. Now that's your chest voice. Now keep your hand there, and I want you to say, just make it sound like, woo! Woo! Very good. You should, the vibration should not have been there anymore. Was it somewhere else? Was it somewhere else? Can anyone tell me where you felt that vibration? In your head. So that's your head voice. We've got a chest voice and we have a head voice. And we have another voice as well, which is what not many people tap into, but it's called the middle voice, or often called the mixed voice. Now I'm going to demonstrate a little bit here. You're going to think I'm a little bit wacky for a business presentation in the mornings. It's a bit early for this. But if you're just using your chest voice and your head voice, and most singing teachers will only tap you into chest voice and head voice. That means you're going, that's all of a sudden there's a big break in your voice. Maybe some of you when you're singing you feel, there's a funny break in my voice. And then you've got the rock singers that they want to go high and all of a sudden they can't get high. And you've got these opera singers that, I've got this lovely head voice. Where's my chest voice? I can't find it. And they don't know how to tap into that chest voice. And we need to have that lovely mixed voice. Blending it all together. Now you're looking at me and think, we don't want to be singers. Why are you doing this? We don't want to become singers. And it's because you need to have that full array of color also when you're speaking. So when you're wanting to be very serious and you want to be confident and you want to have your business voice in the meetings, your banker's voice, your making the deal voice, then you need that low chest voice. It's the voice that most of you will be speaking in most of the time. But then, when you want to add a little bit of excitement into your voice, and you want to sound energetic or really happy, then we need to tap into that middle voice, which is right up here. And then we also need to have the head voice, because the head voice adds beauty and color and softness. And when you can tap into the full range of your vocal variety, you have the full palette of colors, and it makes your voice sound interesting. It means you can add a lot of keyword emphasis. When you're giving a presentation, you can stress certain words and bring them out by adding height, pitch increases, and it makes it more interesting for those that are listening to you.